Jamaica reggae legend Frederick Nathaniel Toots Hibbert has died. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. From the topic, you know exactly what I'm coming to you with. Today I have sad news for you. Yes, the legendary Toots Hibbert passed away on Friday at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Toots was 77 years old. He passed away peacefully, surrounded by his family at the University of the West Indies Hospital late Friday afternoon. While his case of death is not yet known, earlier reports have indicated that Toots was in a medically induced coma. The family and his management team would like to thank the medical team and professionals for their care and diligence, and ask that you respect their privacy during their time of grief. The 77-year-old reggae icon, whose birth name is Frederick Hibbert, was the frontman of the groundbreaking reggae and ska group Toots and the Maytals, which for almost 6 decades have been among the most prominent groups in reggae. It's hard cause we all love Daddy. We just wanted more time. It's just hard. Gospel singer Genevieve Bailey, the singer's eldest daughter, said as she burst into tears. Hibbert was hospitalized in late August after he developed breathing problems. He was said to be awaiting a COVID-19 test results. The Jamaican cultural icon recently participated in the island's annual festival song competition, which he has won on 3 previous occasions. He released his latest album, Got to Be Tough, on August 28. Toots has been consistently touring with his band, the Maytel, since the early 1970s, when his landmark album Funky Kingston made him a global superstar, opening for The Who and the Eagles. He and his band won the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album in 2005. Toots is survived by his wife of 39 years and 7 of his 8 children. Death has saddened many across the world who have used social media to pay tribute to this great reggae icon. Here are some of the tributes that persons have paid to him. Today, I mourn with all Jamaicans as we woke to news of the passing of our very own legendary reggae singer, Frederick Toots Hibbert, said the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. Culture Minister Olivia Babsy Grange, who appealed for blood on Toots' behalf a few days ago, was quite saddened by the news. It is truly a sad day. Toots is gone. Our hearts are broken. Love you, Toots, she said. The tributes keep pouring in. Entertainer Tammy Chin was also in a somber mood. When he sang, you heard the raw grit and goal of passion, the kind that moved you when he performed. I often wondered how he did an entire show maintaining that kind of power in his vocals. My goodness, his voice. Walk good, Sir Toots. Thank you for the music pioneer, reggae royalty legend. Toots was a pioneer of the music back in the 60s and beyond. He was a founding member of the band Toots and the Maytel. He was very close to Bob Marley. There was a time when the Maytals would perform on the same show with the Marley groups, the Wailers. they would alternate who would open and who would headline. Hibbert and Marley were very close. They would record the same song and both have great success. In particularly, they both recorded Redemption Song. Toots also had a presence in film. He appeared in The Harder They Come back in 1972. One of his songs, Pressure Drop, was part of the film's soundtrack. When the song was covered by The Clash in 1978 and became a hit. Toots was also featured on Willie Nelson's album Countryman.